all of the, I'll show you, casualties of Mount Washington. According to the sign, this is the 6th most dangerous mountain to climb in the world because of the weather. This is a dangerous place, and all of these people, 159 people, died up here. They've got some pretty bad stuff. Good morning, everybody. Let's go climb a mountain. 7 hours on the road, 2 more cars to transfer into. Ubbles D2. Ubbles Ubbles. I have no idea what that's all about. I just figured it out. It says U blessed. BLESS D2. You blessed too. You're blessed. I finally got it now. It's car number 2. This is Kevin. This is who I'm riding with. This is my friend Kenny. I just met Kenny. There's Kevin. And this is Nicole. Now we're transferring to car number 3. Now this is car number 4. Car 4.
I'm sleepwalking. I'm sleepwalking. So help me again.
Vermont Deli Diner.
Like an hour of water. So I'm beat up. Something's breaking and I don't know what to do. But what I do know is that I need you to.
Alicia, what's the name of this place?
Lost River.
Alright, we are at Lost River Canyon, Lost River Lake, Lost River something. Lost River Gorge, that makes more sense. So we're gonna go explore it and find some caves. Alicia hasn't been here since she was 15 years old.
Aww.
So she's gonna be reliving those moments. So the cool thing about this whole Lost River Gorge thing is all these tiny little caves. Right there, right there, right there. Are you ready for this? Let's do it. Let's do this, man. We've hiked up to the top of some gorge. It's pretty nice up here. Alright, so that was Lost River Canyon. I think now we're gonna make it to the place and get ready for tomorrow's adventure of Mount Washington. We've made it to the house. I'm excited for tomorrow. Alright, until tomorrow. And we're off. It's the morning of. It's time for the hike. It's a nice balmy 54 degrees. Overcast. With a chance of 100% rain.
Yes!
We're excited. Behold! This is actually it, right? And we're off. Drinks and drinking, and look at these people ready to make it up. There is Mount Monroe over there. It's getting a bit windy and a bit cold. It's probably like what, 45 degrees and strong breeze. This mountain is known for the strongest land wind gust ever recorded, 231 miles an hour. How do you feel? You made it to the top.
Amazing.
Amazing.
That's the top.
Right here. All right, we're officially at the top. We made it up here. Record time. We haven't seen the group in the last 3 hours. This helps me stay warm up here. It's, what day is it? June what? 22nd? 23rd?
I don't know.
I don't know. June 23rd. It's like 40 degrees. windy, possible flurries later. We found them.
Like, come back in behind.
There they are. There they are. And there's a couple more over there. How was it? How was the climb?
It was amazing.
Was it good? Yeah, it was worth it?
Yes.
Good. I'm glad.
Definitely worth it.
Was it good?
Incredible.
Everything you ever imagined?
And more.
And more. This is like your 5th time summiting? What?
A little more than that.
A little, what?
It's like 12.
12 summit. Wow, okay, that's
This might be
impressive.
like 13th or something.
Alright, this is my first. We're well on our way down. You can't see the trail, there's the girls going down. It's been pretty good. It's warmed up climbing down on the descent, which is good because I was freezing cold and drenched. We've again lost the group. At least I know where 2 of them are. We'll keep making our way down. Anyway, probably see you close to the bottom. We officially made it down the mountain. We're waiting for the 6 other people. Overall thoughts on Mount Washington, girls?
Great. Incredible.
Incredible. It was beautiful. My back hurts a little bit, so it was a good physical exertion for the day. Tell me how it went.
Amazing.
Amazing?
Painful.
Painful, but amazing.
Made it.
All right, Kim? Agreed? Monica finished?
Agreed.
Yeah. We've lost 1 member of our team. Maybe she just like flew by us.
There you go.
Like we blinked and she was gone.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna find you, Nicole. All right, evidence that Nicole's alive. We found her backpack at the car, but we cannot find Nicole. So either fell out of the sky, or she's around here somewhere. There's Nicole. We found her. She's here and she's alive and she's dry. Anyway, we'll see what tomorrow brings.
Yes.
Yes, we'll take the waters. Say goodbye to the house. Goodbye, house. We've enjoyed ourselves. We'll see what the adventures bring today. We're gonna go eat all the unlimited sticky buns that you can find. The art of breakfast to the sticky buns. All right, hike number 2.
So face it don't mean nothing, 'cause you keep the rays from entering our life. We belong among the water, and this
All right, did another quick hike. We just made it to Lonesome Lake, I think. It's pretty darn amazing, beautiful. Let me show you the lake here. There you go. The lake is pretty nice. There's a ton of kids back here. Tons of kids. Overall, it's a great trip. I think I'd make another visit to New Hampshire. Definitely come back to the White Mountains. Probably to climb Black Mountain and Lafayette Ridge. Sent mail from the top of Mount Washington. I'm not sending you anything. $50, bro, to ride the train down. We're gonna hike down for free. Hey, bro, Bethel budget. Hey, Bethel budget all the way.